Hi everyone, Harris here with iDownload Blog, and it's funny, just earlier today I was working on my 2018 MacBook Pro 1 year later video, and then I saw that the 2019 MacBook Pro was released. But this MacBook Pro release reminded me a lot of last year's MacBook Pro release, which was mostly about performance and mostly geared towards professionals and people that would really take advantage of the extra speed and performance. Last year they also improved the keyboard a little bit, which this year they sort of did but sort of didn't, but mostly it's about performance again. And the new computers have up to 8 cores, where last year it was awesome that it had up to 6 cores and the 13-inch MacBook Pro had up to 4 cores. But this year it goes up to 8 cores and it has the 8th and 9th gen Intel processors. It's going to be very, very fast. It still maxes out at 32 gigabytes of RAM, which was also new last year, but basically the top end performance of these computers, the $3,000, $3,500 computers before you upgrade the SSDs, those are what are going to be the biggest changes and the most compelling reasons to upgrade. But you'd only really be in the market for that if you are a professional. Somebody whose time saved would be more beneficial than the extra cost of this computer. So if for that reason you are looking to get the 2019 MacBook Pro, I would say don't. I'd say only get it if you have been waiting a while and you almost got the 2018 model, but maybe you just didn't and you just still need that really intense, really high-end performance, then maybe go for this computer. But other than that, I think that this computer will now be even cheaper to buy, or even the 2017 will go down in price again, and those are great options that aesthetically and the core function of these computers are going to be almost exactly the same. And especially considering that the i9 processors on this computer run so hot and often so loud and had the thermal throttling issues when they first were released, I'm not so sure how these new ones are going to fare with the even more powerful i9 processors in the same chassis. I think Apple probably learned from last year, but you can never be certain. Now, Apple also released a new keyboard program so that if your butterfly keyboards fail or they get these sticky keys, Apple will fix it for free, which is kind of funny that Apple is including a replacement policy for the computers they just released, which doesn't sound very confident for them, but good to see regardless. So at the end of the day, it really is about performance for this new MacBook Pro. And if you're on the fence, I would probably say don't get it. Wait for the rumored 16-inch MacBook Pro that might have Face ID, that might shrink down the bezels, that are going to give it that redesign that we're really looking for. Probably still not an SD card reader, unfortunately. That's something I would really like. But outside of that, that is probably the computer that's going to compel people to upgrade. The 2019 MacBook Pro, I don't really think that it is a necessary upgrade for almost anyone except the pros, the professionals who are really going to need the performance. And that's okay because it's not like the 2018 was getting outdated. Anyway, let me know your thoughts. Let me know what computer you are using, if you're looking for an upgrade anytime soon, and your thoughts on this new computer. Thanks for watching.